ეს სტარტაპი წარდგენილი გვაქვს დიეტური დანამატების, ანუ ბიოაქტიური დანამატები ეგრეთ წოდებული და კოსმეტიკას, ბიოკოსმეტიკა. აწარმოებს ჩვენ და გვინდა გავაფართოვოთ ეს სამი. პროდუქციის ხარისხი არის ძალიან მაღალი. თამაში მოხდება მაღალი ხარისხის პროდუქციის ბაზრებზე. ფასები გვაქვს შესაბამისად დაბალი და ჩვენ გონია რომ ადვილად ვითამაშებთ ამ დიდ ბაზრებზე, იმიტომ რომ ორივე პროდუქცია ძალიან დიდი ბაზარი აქვს და ძალიან სწრაფად ზრდადი ბაზრები არის ბოლო წლებში.
Morning.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
I'm Alexander Ustiashvili. Our company is NANO. This is our logo trademark for our products. We are doing different products, but basic materials, our raw materials is peat, sapropel, subtropical, Georgian very high quality, and grapes. From peat, we are doing humic substances, and from grapes, oligomeric proanthocyanidins complexes. We are connected these two complexes in one general. And as we called, we have humic proanthocyanidin substance. Percentages defined in the patent. This is one of the most powerful antioxidants. Our team, director, Tamaria Julian, our office team, technical team, now they are doing grapeseed oil, and myself, Alexander Ustiashvili. I'm a physicist. In past, I'm working also for biological medical equipment testing and creation. For example, ultra-red laser rays action on the body in Soviet Union after low-frequency magnetic field therapy. We started first in Tbilisi State University, and so on. The amount we are raising is 700,000. We need such to finances. Forward, first of all, increase existing capacity, approximately 10 times. Innovate, update of existing and purchase new equipment, promoting a business at trade shows and exhibitions, obtain new laboratory findings for European, Russian, and other markets, obtain new licenses and patents, activated advertising company, purchase of modern packaging materials and equipment. This we need, for example, it is very important for cosmetics. Our products and market is mentioned by Red. This startup is for bioactive supplements, it is dietary supplements, and organic cosmetics. In addition, we are making food additives, feed additives, fertilizers, salt drinks, energizer, and alcoholic drinks. It's very good alcoholic drinks with bioprotective properties. Now, all these markets are very large, big markets, and with higher competition. Our material, our raw material, it is unequal Georgia raw materials and universal technology. This technology converts raw materials in a variety of higher quality products with unequal characteristics. In addition, low energy consumption gives us possibilities to supply customers different products by reasonable prices. Marketing. First of all, branding our business under one logo. This is memorable logo. They include some history about medicine and also Georgia history. In addition, all possibilities for marketing, for example, location-based marketing, direct mailing, telemarketing, also online marketing, Facebook, and so on, and promotion and business at trade shows and exhibitions. Product prices, we have different products. Also, prices is different, but now as we are focusing for the startup, on the dietary supplements and cosmetics, price is changing from $1,000 up to $3,000. It's reasonable prices on the forward market. as investment, we need 700,000, and if we will approximate average price, we will take average price of 1,500. It is 3 years, first 3 years. We will increase our capacity, and incomes for first year will be 0.3, for second 1.1, and third year 1.8 million US dollars. That includes manufacturing expenses and taxes, 40% in common. Our raw material is grape seeds. We are doing grape seed extract, first of all removing the oil, this for cosmetic, and oligomeric proanthocyanate complexes. That includes reservoirs, pectins, tannins, pigments, vitamins, different vitamins, and so on. Humic substance. Humic substance generally is the humic acids, fulvic acids, and ulmic acids, as called phytomelanic acids. It is very powerful combination for healing the body. Includes up to 20 amino acids, 17 useful compounds, micro elements, vitamins, and so on. Production technology. Our technology for oligomeric proanthocyanidins, we're using standard technology, but adding the ultrasound radiation in the reactor. For humic substances, we have high voltage pulse reactor. It is humic substance, it is very large molecules, and we are cutting these molecules up to nanomolecules, very small molecules, and activated such substance. It is useful for body. We have old Soviet Union equipment. That is, some video is there. Old Soviet Union, we bought this in Petersburg many years ago. It's old, but working. They use this for military uses, for ballistic rockets fuel processing. This is company, American company. We have already agreement with them. It is new equipment, especially for us, by special parameters of the reactor and impulses. It is modern equipment and waiting us fast. They are doing similar for wastewater treatment, juice, disinfection and treatment, and fuels, biofuels processing. Our products, oligomeric proanthocyanidins, and benefits, properties and benefits. Of course, antioxidant, very strong antioxidant, hepatoprotective effect, and so on. Humic substances, antioxidant properties, immunization against diabetes. All these products is well known and studied well known. But our product is HPS connected these two, what we are using for different things. This is our production. For humic substances, we are doing humic fertilizers, feed additives, food additives from oligomeric proanthocyanidins, dietary additives, feed supplements, cosmetics. We are connecting these two substances in central. It is the HPS. For HPS, liquid form, we have alcoholic drink by bioprotective properties, soft drink, also cosmetics, and dry lyophilized dry for dietary supplements. Thank you very much.
So you mentioned two priorities in terms of your first go-to-market, your first products you're taking to market. Why did you choose those as your top two?
Because I told we are raising money, it is 700,000.
Yes.
It is for this.
But why did you choose those? Because you have many other areas that you can...
Yes, to develop these two. In parallel, of course, we are doing also, but we will do reinvestments step by step to increase production of other products.
Okay, so there's...
We will do reinvestments.
I'm sorry?
Reinvestment.
Reinvestment.
From profit, we will put money,
yes, okay,
to increase capacity for other products also.
Okay, very good.
So you will be creating these products. When you have products for different markets, like for food or drink for people, or for feed for animals, these are very different markets.
Yes, very different.
So who will sell these products? Will you partner with other companies to sell them? Or will you have salespeople for these products and salespeople for these products?
Okay, we are working with customers, for example, in Russia. In Russia, our cosmetics for salons and so on, we are sending, but we need special documents. For example, for European countries, we need special documents, special
Right.
tests,
Right.
not only Georgian. Okay, we have good tests, but also this. And these middle companies will work for us. Of course, it will be franchise or so on. We are under contracts.
Well, my only suggestion is that those are all very big markets.
Very big money.
And to be successful, you only have to win in one. So my advice to you is to pick one, cosmetics or drinks or feed, and make your company focused on that one market. I think you will have more success.
We have raw material. When we are processing, for example, raw material, we using from these dietary supplements and cosmetics only 5%. The rest is go for fertilizers, for example. It is necessary to process also fertilizers and sale. It is demand in our market, also in other markets.
But is there a company that would purchase one of the resultant chemicals of this process, where you can concentrate on selling, say, a cosmetic, and you sell the chemicals to another company that works with animal feed or?
Of course, we are focusing for other companies. No, we need to, first of all, we need to increase capacity. Such small capacity, which we have now, this moment, it is not sufficient. It is necessary to increase capacity and working with customers and other companies. They will work for us or for its profit, as I understand your question correctly.
It's a channel. You distribute through other companies.
Yes, of course,
Yes.
of course. We are working with different
Yes.
companies in different countries.
Yes.
For example, in Germany, we have very good competitions. They are working, but we are doing now tests and so on. What is necessary, documents is necessary to do something.
You mentioned a New Bedford, Massachusetts company as on one of your slides, the U.S. company. You mentioned that. If you
U.S.
go for
company,
it. What is your relationship with that company?
relations. We did this project. You speak about equipment, yes?
Yeah, the equipment.
Yes, U.S. company.
Yeah.
We did this project, but they producing such equipment for water treatment, biodiesel, biofuels, and so on. But we need this equipment for processing of the peat and sapropel organic materials. What it's doing, it's cutting molecules, I told. We need activate molecules, and we're cutting up to nanomolecules. And this modern equipment they changed some parameters by our requirements in this equipment. For example, parameters of reactor, there is the reactor, and parameters of impulses and range of impulses, amplitude of impulses, and frequency of impulses. And it will be specially for us, this first equipment, but for our requirements parameters.
Is there any evidence that after you zap this large molecule, that the smaller molecules you end up with are active in any way? Sometimes you break them off.
Possibly by chemical methods, of course. By chemical treatment, it is well known alkali acid processing. But electricity,
Not very efficient, right?
very 10 times low consumption of electricity we have by this equipment.
Can you go to the slide with like your product? You had 7 products.
Yes.
And price. Can you go to
Then?
the slide?
Okay.
Which of the product is? No. You had pricing.
Pricing, okay.
Which product from that list can be produced only by you? Is any product on
Any
that
product
list?
so we are producing.
No. Can anybody? I understand grapeseed oil. There are a lot of
Extract.
players on the market. The rest, is anything unique that you are the only company in the world which can produce that?
Only our company? No, of course.
Okay, so
But
for
this
each product you
HP is our. But it is well-known substances that's producing, it is existed on the world market, and the properties and benefits.
So your
We know,
advantage
yes.
is like better raw
We have good
materials
prices.
and more attractive pricing.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ну, ჩვენ ახლა აქამდე გავიარეთ ტრეინინგები. მაინტერესება იყო რა საკვირად. ახლა ვერ ვიტყვი დაინტერესებული, მაგრამ ახლა ისინი სხვები არიან.